My name is Aftab Alam. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech to celebrate 77th Independence Day. This day is most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Abdul Kalam Azad, Maulana Hazrat Maulani, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and brave soldiers have continuously endeavored to protect our country. Friends, your now determination is perfect. It needs to be better perfect. So, it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely, that is not where